Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to set a profile lock on your Netflix app. Log in with your account on Netflix and click on the More options. And here you need to click on this account. Then scroll down. So come to this profile and parental controls. Here I'm going to set a profile lock. So you can see this profile lock, change it. So you need to enter the password before you do this. You can continue. Lock is profile by creating a 4-digit PIN. So enable it. For tutorial purpose, I am giving 00. You just give the difficult 4-digit PIN. And if you want to add it to your new profiles, you can enable this. So click on save. So profile lock is saved. That's it. This is the way you can set profile lock on your children's account. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks and info. Thank you. Bye.